My name's Daniel Miller and I'm the MD at Coolkit. My individual role involves, making sure that everybody has the right systems and things to make sure that we can satisfy our customers' demands. Lots of working with senior members of the team and making sure that everybody can complete what they need to complete on a daily basis. It's a fantastic accolade. We've had a challenging year at Coolkit over the last year, and to be recognised in the top 100 is a real kind of validation of all the good work that we've done, not just personally but as a team over the last year. I'm an accountant by trade, and I find it fascinating that there are these people around the place who can take a bunch of raw materials and turn them into really top quality products that are useful in everyday life. I'm just in awe of engineers and production people who make things from scratch. It's a fantastic kind of thing to see. This time last year, in July 2023, Coolkit had a major fire at one of its facilities. We lost 33 brand new vehicles in the factory. We lost the factory itself, and we had to go and start producing from a much smaller factory and get into really business survival mode. It was a real test for everybody in the business, and everybody came through it so well. The resilience that the team showed, the can-do attitude, the team spirit, the way everybody looked after each other during that period was phenomenal, and I feel really proud that we went from that to have a record year in terms of turnover and sales order input, because that means that one, our customers trust us, they're still placing orders with us despite the challenges that we've had, and two, that we've repaired that trust by delivering what we have over the last 12 months. So yeah, this year in its entirety has been a really challenging one for me personally and for the business, and hopefully the work that we've done has been validated not just through the results that we've seen, but also through things like the top 100 where we've done really well this year. I think there's loads for manufacturing to learn from lots of different sectors, specifically tech. I think that lots of manufacturing businesses probably need to think about systems and processes and technology and how we can improve the efficiency of the teams through improved process, really. There's lots of exciting things happening, but I think in SME world it's easy to get stuck in the day-to-day and not want to make that capital expenditure. But if we can understand the payback periods and the investment and return on investment that we can get through improving technology and improving the efficiency and the way that we produce things, we can definitely have an impact. So technology, and various other areas we can definitely learn from.